Number 8, triangle XYZ is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin to form triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Which statement is true? Looking at a rotation inside a coordinate grid, let's set up an example and talk about what that looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a triangle. I'm going to set it right here in the corner of the origin. I like to put one of the vertices right there in the corner, so when we rotate it, it doesn't overlap, so it's a little easier to see. So we're going to rotate it, which is going to be a turn. So we're going to turn this thing 90 degrees clockwise. So following the clock, you see the arrow, and it will rotate to that shape right there. So let's look at the rotation and see, take a closer look at our answer choices and see which ones are true. Which statement is true? The sum of the angle measures of triangle XYZ is 90 degrees less than the sum of the angle measures of triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime. The sum of the interior angles of all triangles needs to be 180 degrees. That's a rule in geometry. So this one, in this case, just on that fact alone, does not work. That's not true. So, B. The angle measures of triangle XYZ are less than the corresponding angle measures of triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Okay, so we're rotating it. We're going to take a look. Are they less than? So the angle measures is actually the same shape. So the same shape will have the same angle measures. So they're not going to be less than. So B doesn't work either. Moving on to number C. Triangle XYZ is not congruent to triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Well, we rotated it. It's the same shape. It's just rotated 90 degrees. Not congruent means not equal. It is equal. They're the same size and the same shape. So C doesn't work, which leaves us with D. The area of triangle XYZ is equal to the area of triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Area would be 3 times 3. Half of that, 9, 4.5. They're both 4.5 in terms of their area. They are equal, so they have the same size. They're exactly the same shape. They're just rotated. So this one does work. D would be our answer choice. So one last look. Which statement is true? D. The area of triangle XYZ is equal to the area of triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime.